How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and I just got off the phone with a shop who gave me some good pricing on mods for the McLaren, and oh my lord, it is so tempting to just go pull the trigger right now. I want to do it so bad, but I also have the Civic on the burner right now, which is just making me more anxious and anxious to maybe sell the WAP. I don't want to. I know I'm going to get lowballed to shit right now. Even though the market is really hot right now, it's just not in the condition that I want to sell it at. So I don't know. I'll hold on to it for a little bit longer. But if someone makes me a serious offer, it's going to be hard to say no. Anyways, today we're going to go check out where the ricers roam on Reddit. We're going to see all these dummy dum-dums who, you know, didn't talk to a shop, didn't talk to anyone, and didn't get some advice when it came to modding their car. So hopefully, if they're watching this video now, they can get some advice from me, and I'll tell them where they went wrong modifying their shitbox. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, I have it filtered to the top ones of this month, so let's go ahead and see which one catches my eye. How about this one? It just says V6. Ain't nothing wrong with owning a V6. It's a great daily driver. It's got the sporty styling. The only problem comes when you're owning a V6 and you have no idea what the fuck you're doing. And by V6, I mean V6 muscle car. Normal V6 cars, like if you're buying, I don't know, a 350Z, stuff like that, no problem. Shit like this though, this shit don't fly. The wheel setup and fitment, I'll give this ricer some props. That is some good fitment right there, but you went wrong with the wing. That's not a wing, that's a fucking air brake. That's some McLaren P1, some McLaren Senna style air brake. You're not getting any downforce from that. You are just slowing yourself down, and all of that fuel economy you would have had on a normal V6 is just shit out because now you have this gigantic fucking tabletop air brake just slowing your monkey ass down. Like, seriously, ricers come straight from the zoo. We have the monkeys who like to bolt on the ricer mods like this. They know how to use basic hand tools. They have some good craftsmanship, but they're still stuck back in the Stone Age. Follow the evolutionary chart, we're all monkeys. And then we have giraffes who just love attention. They love neon and they love tall exhausts. Then we have the lions who just like to have their exhaust super loud now, but this is straight monkey stuff. Basic hand tools, bolt that wing on the back, and call it a day. That's one way of up-badging a car. Wow. Now see, yeah, this wouldn't fall under the monkey category because this is spray paint. I mean, at least it's on a Mercedes. I mean, I just don't think this one came in the AMG variant. Nothing says AMG like drum brakes. You could have done it in a little bit more of a bold spray paint. This faded gray, chalkboard color, it ain't it. Some bright red or some black, now that would have really stood out. What zoo animal would this fall under? I don't know. If I had to choose one, I'd probably say a snake just for the deception. Fooled me, had me thinking it was a real AMG. God damn it. Mitsubishi Bugatti. Boo! That ain't no Bugatti. Boo! Shit looks like Shrek's glory hole. Jesus. Straight up, someone was face fucking this car all night long. Some really gifted man with a gigantic schlong. I swear, people play GTA 5 for one day and then their favorite car is a Bugatti. Oh, there's more photos of it. Yeah, the side profile, definitely Bugatti. Definitely fooled me. Yeah, where you went wrong with this one, champ, was you bought a Mitsubishi. That's right there. It's a bad move. Never do that. And then you try to make it look like a Bugatti. And once again, very bad move. Especially when your craftsmanship is like -10. All you did was take like a fucking hacksaw and then just you just fucked up your grill. That ain't no Bugatti. Alright, this one says fake Hellcat. So we got back-to-back fake cars. Let's see. Okay, I spot it. I spot the badge right there. Do have a fake Hellcat amongst us. Gotta have the banana peel guards. I'm so happy because those are slowly and surely going out of style. But these people, man, these fools are still just taping them up on their fucking lips. Like this one, I don't even think came with them because this is an older Challenger, but homeboy still made it a point to put it on his fucking car. Like those don't even look like the factory ones. Like those, what is this? You know you can buy those on OfferUp. I'm giving some fucking idiot an idea right now. They're like, oh, I can put those on my car? Oh my god, I need them so bad. You don't want these on your car. And you also don't want a fake Hellcat badge. You should just know at that point. If you have some guy rocking a fake Hellcat badge and he's also rocking those, probably two mods you don't want. Dare I call them mods. Found a Ricer V6 Foxbody in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Well, mother of God, he blended in. V6? How can you tell it's a V6 from here? I don't know. I'm not a huge Foxbody guy, but he's got that staggered wheel setup, though. That's not bad. I mean, they look like they're fucking 22s, but besides that, they're not that bad. The thing to me that's giving it away that's a V6 is just the amount of bullshit he has on his car. Like, You see bullshit on real V8s and real muscle cars every once in a while, but the amount of bullshit this guy has on his car is kind of wild. We got LED like retrofit headlights, we got some stupid fucking holographic banner, a dumbass wing, some shit wheels. Like right then and there lets you know this ain't no performance car. This is a dumb fuck. Not fast nor furious. It's a good title right there. Oh, the Del Sol. Oh my god, what's wrong with that face, bro? You look like you just got melted. Homeboy had a fat model sit on the hood, stretch that shit right out. I'm all for body positivity, but if you're gonna stretch out my hood and bumper like that, stay the fuck away. What a fucking car right here. What a car to turn into the Supra from Fast and the Furious. What a car. The Del Sol, the underdog, the tiniest of cars. You're gonna make that, like, you could have done a better job at making this like Suki's S2K or something like that, but you chose the Supra. Who the fuck makes this catfish Camaro front end too? Like, what is this? You added like an extra foot to your car. And why is the front bumper lower than the whole rest of the car? I have a feeling that bumper isn't meant for this car. It's just a hunch. Just like the hunch on whoever sat on this fucking hood. Jesus. Oh, underneath the hood, look at him flexing. What is that, a 2JZ? No shit. The god damn, man, had a stunt on us like that? Fuck, man. The rear end just looks like a normal Del Sol. I don't know why he didn't have someone sit on the rear of that car and make it more fucking elongated, but whatever. Let's move on. They're a pair. His and hers. Newlyweds. Just as crazy as each other. What was that one fucking Suicide Squad quote? She was fearless and crazier than him. She was his queen, and God help anyone who dared to disrespect his queen. I swear the OG Suicide Squad movie was written by like a 12-year-old. A depressed 12-year-old. I mean, you gotta love all the details. I mean, making two cars match, two very different cars match. I mean, yeah, they're both Mopars, but I mean, look at it. It's like literal brother and sister cars, both just as ugly as the other one. It's amazing to have two ugly ducklings in the same family. Hell, these two are probably fucking each other. I want to hear the concept behind all this. I'm not really sure I'm fully grasping what's going on. I'm seeing the weird spider web fucking red shit all over it, but it's a little incoherent. I can't really understand what the fuck is going on. Two piles of garbage. Moving on. Saw this after eating. I like how he gave us a little backstory. This was after he ate, not before he ate specifically. Speed Hunters. Roush. Oh yeah, I gotta have the Roush sticker on the fucking base model V6. Who you fooling? Who you fooling? It ain't me. It ain't me. It ain't my subscribers. They're too smart. And the Transformer badge, you get a yellow car, you automatically gotta slap the fucking Transformers logo on it. It's automatically Bumblebee. Bumblebee was never a Camaro, he was never a Beetle, he was a Mustang. And whoever paint matched your rear bumper fucking missed it by a couple shades. That shit looks like mustard, the rest looks like dandelion yellow. And this has to be one of the ugliest creative, I don't know, choices anyone's ever made. Why would you end the racing stripes halfway down your rear end? Like, I see this all the time. They don't go all the way to the floor anymore. Why would you do that? Finish them off. They look stupid. It looks incomplete. Speed Hunters, you ain't hunting shit. You're hunting for groceries, grocery getter. Get the fuck out of here. Bumble Bitch. What's with all these twinsy cars, man? Bumble Bitch. Actually, a title that made me giggle. I am surprised. Hey, at least it doesn't have a fucking Autobots badge. Look at that. Look at that. The rear end is giving me Ferrari vibes. These little exhaust tips coming out of the bumper, straight Ferrari. The front end, though, that is no Ferrari. Bumble Bitch. This is Bumblebee after fucking meth. Bumblebee came to Earth, realized what fucking crack cocaine was, and then just got hooked instantly. Never made it out of the projects. Is this rice or nice? This is fucking rice. You don't have to ask me. You don't have to ask anybody. Anybody will tell you with a brain cell that this is fucking rice. Reason being, neon underglow. Outdated car mod of the 1990s. Gigantic aggressive canards. Gigantic fucking wing. Decent wheel setup, decent color, and it looks like a decent carbon fiber hood, but it got overkill with the amount of tacky shit he put on it. Like the window louvers, the canards, this whole front end, it just doesn't look like it belongs with the rest of the car. It just looks like straight up AutoZone special. Oh, and look at the rear. Yeah, you want to ask rice or nice? Look at this. You think this is nice? You think this is nice? If you think this is nice, you need to get your eyes checked. You don't need to go see a doctor. Go to an eye specialist. Get a fucking prescription for the strongest glasses out there. Oh my god. Like there were concepts here that could work, but just got over fucking blasted by the amount of rice on this car. Like what is this? What even is this? Like some sort of weird duct. There's no way it's functional. If that's functional, that's cool, but there's no way that's functional. Homeboy had a good build going and then just poured all the rice on top of it. Last one. Is this ricer? Because I think it is. Nice fucking lingo. I'm not gonna play the audio just because I'm sure it's garbage. Is this ricer? Is this garbage ass stance car ricer? Is this ricer? Is this ricer? Is this ricer? Is this? Oh my god! Look at that steering wheel. Let's back this up a little bit. Fucking hell! You're gonna show me that? You're gonna fucking blue ball me for a split second? Where is it? Where? No, where is that steering wheel? God damn! All right, dude. There's so much content on this car. Why would you chop your steering wheel? You fucking baboon! Why would you do this? Like, I have saw. Must cut steering wheel. Make it faster. This is so stupid. So stupid. Look at this fucking goddamn gear selector shifter. What? Alright, we're gonna go frame by frame because there's just literally 1,000 things to break down. The exterior looks like garbage stance car. We're about 10 feet away. This is about as close as I ever want to get to this car. Okay, don't want to get any closer than that. I can already see it's something I'm not gonna enjoy. Any closer? Look at that. You might trip over his fucking pocket pussy goddamn muffler. Front end, oh, okay. Well, the front end didn't look too bad. I'll give him, credit where credit is due. Compared to the rear end, the front end is a walk in the park. I can live with that. I've seen this every day for the last year in SoCal. Like, this is something you see daily. Lambo doors, though, on an FRS, yeah, you lost me. And then let's go to the interior. Like, cool seats. I mean, you got harnesses, whatever. I don't know why you need harnesses. Let's go look at your wheel setup. Yeah, you're not driving fast in this car. Like, let alone it is an FRS, BRZ, whatever you want to call it. You're not going very fast, especially with that wheel setup. And then you just go fucking overboard with the amount of bullshit you put on this car. Like, all white, whatever. But what is this steering wheel? Convince me that this was necessary. Convince me that you needed to do this. What are the benefits? It looks like a fucking hypercar. No, you're in a Scion FRS. That's a Scion logo. That is Toyota's budget fucking company. Gauges, whatever. Once again, one of the least fucking in your face shit. Look at this. What even is this contraption? Is this a... There's no way that's a hydro. What is that a hydro? You're not drifting this thing. I'd be very impressed if you're actually sliding this thing. You're just putting shit on your car to make it look like you're doing shit. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the definition of rice. Thank you very much. I'll be here all week. Anyways, guys, yeah, that is going to do it for this video. My head hurts. That last car, very painful. Hopefully he has some engine mods to back it up. If he does, then maybe some of my statements prior are redacted. But again, it's a maybe. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please let me know down in the comments down below. Hopefully the McLaren build will start very soon. The Honda build, all the parts are flooding in, so that will be going pretty soon. We got the Supra all taken apart. We got like 3 builds going on at once. And Project WAP at the same time. I'm fucking broke. Anyways, guys, subscribe, like this video, share it with your friend, and until next video, peace.